Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Okay.
Mr. Socrates Safo
Yeah.
of the MPP.
Yeah. Okay, Ola.
Let's go.
Me can say, share baby free, any baby I be drew ya. Na the framers of the manifesto no deem it appropriate. Say ye betwa gains na ya so far no. Inti you can say at this point, we are going to set up large recording studios in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, and Takrady as part of the entrepreneurial hub strategy. In partnership with the private sector, the recording artists to rent space for their recording in these studios. Ola, simply no. You say, a free diaspora during the year of return. No. Bebre adia no mo hu say, oh, Ghana is a place they would like to come and stay, come on holidays, and do even business here. But as musicians, it's also an opportunity for them to also record. Maybe I'll do 2 or 3 months for Hanseya. Why don't you bring your crew and everybody here if we have the studios here? So it's part of the request. The two your friends, the organizers of the year of return and him. And almost shame who say, oh, okay, then it makes business sense. It's also form part of our manifesto promise in 2016, which was not put in this the 2016 manifesto because Nyama Bebri promise at that time no but you said no yenye ABCD first and Sanya and this request also form part of it. And you say na say ninjina no akwakoshem pepepe. That is why it was captured there. It will also help Ghanaian musicians say the sound quality. As we speak, we record all over. Obia bedroom ni nyame nyom timi record. Enti na obisa boys na say oh ye. But when nyom party say nyame Rex eti yanse onim recording. Rex I stand to be corrected say have even recorded outside the country before. Bisani say recording studios bebre na wo Ghana na dem tira no mo kobodo stega ho. Ekoko record wo ho. Omo kwa scan omo de ko omo sisa CDC na omo de akọ akotua Dutch marks ne euros in those days no ewo ho. It is money that they were taken from the country. Enti yenya bibia edi ebi nso beba in na ese capitalize on it. This is going to be done in your friend in partnership with the private sector. Enti no outsiders no dey obviously ba be shame but government will facilitate it. Na boama enwuma ye wo Ghana nyina no quality na kosoro enti wo yanyum wo fie kra mpo a wo betimi akọ no akwa boost and the cost will be affordable. That is the thinking that went into that one. Okay, then we promised to build a digital platform for artists to make their products available for the global market. And ye nyina ye hu say brick and mortar business no call out enti no the best way to do it is to create these digital platforms. Meaning, most of the your friends and platforms why they turn you many and near me don't hear challenge. And near me don't hear challenge. And only near when a revenue shares any promotion. Ubetimi ola say what you say, ubetimi create your own platform. I can see oh the year or marketing in fine. I'm for money go. But how are you going to promote it? You don't have that resources and the capacity to promote it for the platform to even be popular. And who say, look, let us officially own one for the country, and let's make sure say creative arts in go then spread it because most of our songs, our music, our movies, our artifacts, and all that bebre here abontin prior you feel prior crampo no because some of the international markets ne crampo who price or more na and small. Whilst we can create our national platform for the arts and culture here, and people can access it and get the things direct from the owners, and nobody is going to share any 50-50 revenue with you. Omo kita bia omo dia two platforms ni na bi some say aggregators na hin omo de omo. So we deem it fit say see a creative industry Then also set up the creative arts fund support fund. This creative arts support fund I'm telling you say it is within the your friend is saying creative arts bill you pass here, Beba Creative Art Act. This is there, and we are going to aggressively make sure that it is properly set up and the necessary, your friend is saying, support that will bring the revenue in. Now, ye dinu kurenso. Ye nim say, ye promises say, we will pursue the construction of modern large sitting theaters across the country. Minya, ye nyanum bebre in media no, omo industry so bo ne can say any more intimate in nema. But sometimes no, unyobi kasanu udino no krea. Knowing what you can do, a do baby ya unchini bebre because asem na wo kan e bi ono anti ase yiye. Inti no na senya anti ase yete no na run kakra. One last week minya obi ekire me say na mo kan se mo besi last sitting theater say mo renovate na de ntira mo amoy amane yes okay mo decide say mo be renovate. Minia Dr. Ziblim and Miss G a friend is saying interview in Nigeria. And after the decision have been taken, say, yenye renovation of the theaters because of the challenge we were having in acquiring the lands that we thought, say, are available for us to use immediately. That is lands under the National Commission on Culture possession. Documentations and things like that, like line titles and nearmano, cannot be a treaty, but that is the truth. There are challenges with it. Untimi sorry, ani obia an consign contract be not China. Obi betimi sorry, anywa abe challenge you also. Look, why don't we renovate these theaters which are already there? And it is the president directive say, and you make sure say, abandon. And it falls in line. So when that decision was taken, fortunately, Deputy Minister Ziblim was with Miss G in Nigeria. They had an interview, and he told Miss G, which was published widely before that renovation started. But Obia Sonti. Now, whenever any of the leaders had the opportunity to speak about it, and they talk about the completion of the theater in Koforidua, hey, but at least that is the truth. The theater Koforidua one has been completed. The contractor moved to site in Kumasi, only for us to realize that there are some defects which you have personal experience with it. And you are the first person I will put on record that you even call our attention to it. That look, there's a problem there. We look at it and we realize that yes, there's a problem. So the contractor was called, we had a discussion, and the Kumasi one was stopped. Today, thankfully, we have revised and advised on the strategy and the designer on Yenono. And she is going to go back to site. As we speak now, in truth, and as promised in our manifesto, Yakosa MOU Kumase. Was it 2 weeks ago? And none of this a voice here boy in our I say ya sign MOU. I know that discussion started some months back, somewhere in February. Yakosa MOU. Otumfo amasase foforo baby foforo. Babe theaters no. And that company is now going to start work to build the theaters as we promised. And that is why we've now captured it in this manifesto. We didn't say pursue again, but you can say complete the theater in Kumasi and construct the new theaters in Takrady and Tamale.
You have 1 minute more.
I'll see.
Needs FM.